In this video, we listed the 5 best table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Table Saw. The DEWALT Table Saw, DWE7485, is an 8 1/4 inch, 15 amp tool designed for job sites, highly rated with a 4.8 out of 5 stars from 6,310 ratings on Amazon. It is highlighted as Amazon's choice for its high ratings and competitive pricing, with over 3,000 units purchased in the past month. The current price is $299, reduced by 29% from the list price of $419. While the list price reflects the suggested retail price by manufacturers or sellers, it may not always represent the market's prevailing price. The product is available for international shipping, with total costs including shipping and import fees to Bangladesh amounting to $2,618.95. It is returnable until January 31, 2025, and customer support is available. The table saw comes in a yellow color with a metal blade, suitable for wood and metal surfaces, and operates on corded electric power. It includes several components such as a fence, anti-kickback poles, miter gauge, push stick, 24 T8 1/4 inch blade, non-through cut riving knife, blade change wrenches, and a modular guard system. Additional bundles are available, such as one with safety glasses for $306.25. The product can be purchased at a lower price from other sellers who may not offer free prime shipping. Number 2. BOSCH GTS15 Table Saw. The BOSCH 15 amp saw is a high-performance tool designed for both rip-cutting and cross-cutting of fine and hard wood materials, operating at 3,800 RPM. It features a convenience brake that helps the blade stop in approximately 3 seconds, enhancing productivity. The saw's clamp zone areas allow the tabletop to be used as a light-duty secondary work surface, while its open frame design and lightweight construction ensure durability. The soft start circuitry manages motor startup intensity, minimizing the chance of tripping a circuit breaker, and the electronically regulated speed helps maintain performance under load. For portability, it comes with a GTA50W gravity rise wheeled stand for easy mobility and single-action setup. The rack and pinion rip fence has color-coded index pins for easy adjustments, and the Smart Guard system includes a riving knife and anti-kickback poles for safety, along with a guard assembly for unobstructed cutting views. Additionally, on-tool storage is available for the rip fence, miter gauge, Smart Guard system, hex wrench, blade wrench, and push stick. Number 3. Metabo HPT Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw is a versatile and precise tool designed for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. It features a high-speed steel blade and is powered by a 15 amp motor, delivering up to 5,000 RPM for tackling tough cuts. The saw's portable design, weighing only 24.2 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver, while its vice clamping system offers better material support for secure cutting. Safety is prioritized with an electric brake that quickly stops the blade and a built-in blade guard. The saw provides a miter angle range of 0 to 52 degrees to both the left and right for flexibility, and a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left with adjustable stops for precision. Additionally, the saw includes a 5-year warranty, underscoring its durability and reliability as a professional-grade tool engineered in Japan, trusted by professionals and DIY enthusiasts for over 70 years. Number 4. DEWALT Miter Saw. The DEWALT Miter Saw is a versatile and durable tool designed for precision and efficiency. It features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, ensuring repeatable accuracy and enhanced worksite durability. The saw is equipped with tall sliding fences that support crown molding up to 6 5/8 inches nested and base molding up to 6.5 inches vertically against the fence. Its double bevel design allows for beveling from 0 to 48 degrees both left and right, with positive stops at key angles. Additionally, it offers a miter capacity of 0 to 50 degrees on both sides. The cam-lock miter handle with detent override facilitates quick and precise miter angle adjustments. Enhanced by the integrated cutline LED work light system, it provides adjustment-free cut line indication for improved accuracy and visibility. The saw is powered by a corded electric source and features a brushless motor, contributing to its reliability and performance. Number 5. MAXXT Table Saw. The MAXXT bandsaw with table saw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for cutting metal with precision and ease. Equipped with a robust 10-amp motor, it delivers high performance without the risk of burnout, allowing users to cut through various materials such as steel, aluminum, and PVC pipe smoothly and efficiently. This tool offers a unique 2-in-1 functionality, operating both as a bandsaw and a table saw, with detachable vertical cutting plates for added flexibility. It features impressive cutting capacity, accommodating large round and square tubes, and offers infinitely variable blade speed control for optimal results. Safety and user comfort are prioritized with features like an emergency switch, auto-stop function, ergonomic grip, and tool-free blade changes. The bandsaw comes with essential accessories, including durable metal cutting blades and maintenance tools, and is backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. The integrated LED light enhances visibility for precise cuts, making this tool both efficient and user-friendly.